and Rosalie Pitney. So like how no ignorant and no ignorant for me say, come beat me. I go send man come kill blood clot me. And nobody can tell me what the blood clot say. Nobody can tell me what you say a blood clot. Black that. First and foremost, she never want, you see, because she and Jabba's are best friend, she don't want to talk. Right? She don't want to talk. Because even when Jabba's grape her sister, she never come out and she never address it. She never address it. She never speak on it and say it's wrong. You never speak on it. The only thing you say, them to leave him alone. So me say, okay then, for instance then, that means I fear pick them should have grape and that my blood clot say come beat me bitch, come drag me and fight me. And you come tell a man to come kill blood clot and you come set me up. I know I can set up people. Alright. You see, because of me come out here, come address the situation, that's why I know I jump down. Come here, K. Come here, good throat, K. Right throat, K. Come here, K. Come here. Let me ask you something. Remember say, everybody in a blood clot, Joblin and Johnson and 31 and blood clot 6 and Homestead and Catchallan and Tyspin and Rivali and Marshden Road and blood clot De La Vega City. No say, tens walk and blood clot scam. Everywhere tens walk and thief and kill much blood clot people. Remember say tens and my brother Copperman. Me ball it out. Can you can't get me? Remember say tens and my blood clot big brother Copperman and blood clot System, which is my blood clot.